Hey you guys, this is your boy J-Hen, and this week I'm just going to be unboxing some PPE stuff that I got off of Amazon. Hey you guys, so I'm here today. I'm just doing some unboxing. Some of you guys may know if you already subscribed to my channel. I think I've shared it a few times. I do own 2 facilities for teen boys. So you know if everything that's going on in the pandemic since March, been ordering all type of PPE equipment and different things. So I said, what? It's already November. I could have been sharing some of this stuff out there because, as you're ordering stuff off of Amazon, sometimes you just don't know what you're going to get. If there's not any reviews or not much information really left down there. Or, sometimes they'll tell you you're getting one thing and you get it and you're like, this is not what was posted on Amazon. Or this is not how that looked. Or this is not how I thought this was going to look or how it was going to fit. So I just decided to show you guys some of the stuff that I did recently order as far as PPE. So one of the things that I ordered just recently was a 200 pack of disposable shoe covers. And so it did come nicely packed in this huge Ziploc bag. So it's 200 shoe covers in here. I'm going to leave information about all the products I'm showing down in the description below. So let's see, I didn't open up the pack yet, but there are 200 shoe covers, so I'm guessing it's probably 100 in each pack. And I'm just going to open it up to look to see how these shoe covers actually look. So take a look. So they are just, your normal type of shoe covers here, and they extend. So they extend, seem pretty durable, seem pretty much like your standard quality of shoe covers and things like that. So nice to go over the shoe. So won't complain about these. This is something that I know we will use a lot in my facilities. Okay, and then the next thing I did get some, I think it's 8 pair of non-slip reusable shoe covers, and they're waterproof as well as, they say, boot covers, and they can be used for like household carpet, floor protection, and they're machine washable, and they are black. So it did come inside, this came inside of this like vacuumed bag here. And I think I have some of these already that I use at home because I got carpet and don't want people walking on my carpet. So I think this might be the same type that I have here that I use at home, but I could be wrong. So these are actually, like I said, these are washable, and I think that these are supposed to fit up to like a size 12 or 13 for men. I'm going to leave the description down below, but as you can see, it does open up pretty wide because they do say that these are boot covers. My dog is in the corner going crazy. Memphis, what's going on? Memphis, come here. Come here. He's over here going crazy. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can hear the bell. His tags going off. So this is Memphis, you guys. Memphis here. He's going crazy over there in the corner. I'm going to stop this video, go wash my hands because I'm touching some PPE stuff. And I don't want to get no germs on it, even though I'm going to disinfect it again. The stuff that I do touch. So let me go wash my hands, sanitize myself, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I'm back, all sanitized up and hands washed. But this does have, like I said, it has the non-slip built on the bottom of them. Has little ridges sticking up off of it, so it can be non-slip. As well as I got, 8 pair came in here. Okay, one other thing that I ordered a bunch of these. We have the surgical. Let me wait till I stop making all that noise. We have a lot of surgical masks, but I did order some washable, reusable masks, because as we know, if you're in the US of A, back in March, it wasn't no joke out here when, like, you couldn't find toilet paper, you couldn't find gloves, you couldn't find surgical masks. So, everybody went on right away into mode of making masks and trying to figure out what people could use for PPE. I have noticed on Amazon they're getting a little bit better with finding, cloth masks or different types of masks. So these are just some, let me see, this is some cloth masks. They did come about 20 in a pack for this, and they call them, they're cotton. It says unisex, face, reusable and washable for kids, teens, adults, men, women, and it does say for outdoor use. So let's see. I wonder if they're all made the same, because I'm looking at that side there. Yeah, they are all made the same. I don't know why they have one end looks a little different from the other end. Let me hang it there so you can kind of see. And then this, how that end looks. This piece right here hanging off, but that's how all of them appear to be made. And then it does have, I guess, the cotton on the inside. And these are rewashable masks that you can use. I don't know if they stretch enough. They're not really stretched. They really don't stretch. So this will probably be my personal one right here. Yeah, so it's not, let's see. You might have to get a mask extender depending on how big your face is. I can see this working very, very well for kids. For me, it's like, I would rather have an extender, so that way I could like extend it around my neck, or something like that. And then I ordered these. It's a 5-piece set of safety or protection goggles, safety glasses, and it's supposed to be anti-fog, impact resistant lens, and anti-scratch and lightweight. So I ordered 2 boxes of these. So I did order 10 of these, and just so as we're wearing like face shields, we can also wear these goggles or glasses underneath the face shields, or if somebody's just wearing a mask, they can still wear these just to protect any droplets from getting in their eyes. So just opening this box up here, and just pretty much they come like this. And so this will probably be my personal pair right here that I'll keep, because I'm not going to touch the rest of them. So these are the safety like goggles, they're calling them, or safety glasses. Now, one of the things as I was looking online is, I know some of them were saying like, oh, they're anti-spit or anti-splash, but these have ridges on the side. And I didn't think these would have the ridges on the side where, like, you know, I guess droplets or stuff could still come through the side. If you want it to be, I guess, 100% protected, I'd rather have one that doesn't have any openings, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4 openings right there. But you can't just put these on, and they're actually very light, actually feel very comfortable. I think I just probably, yeah, I do need to wipe these off. There's some dust on them and stuff, but actually these are actually very comfortable, and they fit very snug in place right there. So I can actually see in these being very good as far as like direct contact too, if you do have, you know, spitters, or just with the pandemic and trying to have some extra eye protection. I guess these could work to protect your eyes, but like I said, they do have those 4 slots on the sides where I don't know, maybe particles or stuff could still get through the sides. But I like them. They're very lightweight, not too heavy, and they might possibly even fit over some glasses. They might actually fit over some glasses. But yeah, I can't even recognize that I have these on, really, or it doesn't even feel like I have anything on my face. Now, that's one of my biggest problems with my real glasses. A lot of times I'm always taking them off because I'm just never used to having them on. But these are so lightweight to where if my real glasses felt like this, I'd never lose them. Okay, you guys, and then the last thing that I have here to show is these are reusable face masks that I ordered as well. It's a 12-piece set, and they say they're supposed to be anti-fog, safety, face shields, universal reusable face protective visor for eye, head protection, anti-spitting, splash, facial cover for women and men. So this is a set of 12 are in here, and right on the package it kind of says the same thing: anti-fog, oil fume prevention, anti-droplet, and splash proof is what they are saying right here on the packaging. So the only thing I know about sometimes ordering these is that you do have to put them together, and even trying to read the reviews on Amazon. I think I ordered like 8 in the past. And the one thing I didn't like about the ones that I ordered in the past is that they didn't have a cushion, and they say they're anti-fog, but it's so close to your face to where it's just, they just fog up. So I know with a lot of these face shields, when you order them, you do have to actually put them together. But these look like these might really be put together already. That might be a plus. Might not have to do no work. I think these might be put together inside here already. So it says protective isolation mask on the front, and got my scissors here because we're gonna get to cutting. And so they do have this piece of literature in here, and this just says sponge is vacuumed and can be used in 5 minutes after opening packaging. Oh, I was wondering why it's so flat. So I guess once you take out the sponges or take one out, they will. Oh, okay, I'm just pulling it apart here. So I guess once you take it out, it's saying it may take about. Oh, this looks kind of little. I don't know if this will cover your mouth or not. So it says. So this is what the mask actually looks like here. So it's nice because it is put together already. I got some that I ordered like back in March, and you just have to put them together. We haven't used them all because you know you have to put them together. So this one comes put together, and I guess it's just a matter of waiting that 5 minutes for the sponge to the foam to inflate or spread out. It says double-sided anti-fogging, protect full face from droplets, saliva, splash, oil, and it says it's good and elasticy, so you don't have to worry about it fitting on your head, I guess, properly and things like that. And it says lightweight, which it is very light. It says comfortable, skin-friendly sponge, and it says CE testing standard. There is a film. I didn't remove the film from it, so it does kind of cover your face there, and then I guess once it the film expands, it'll be a little bit better. But yeah, it's pretty cool and nice. So I do have to take the films because it's cloudy. I cannot see clearly through it, but yeah, it's not irritating. It is very elasticy, so lots of space. Doesn't feel like it's crammed on my head, or I don't feel claustrophobic from this elasticy band here. It says to warm the tips to peel off this the film that's on here, protective film before use. I don't know, I just kind of was able to work the ridges and peel it off. So it does have this protective film. Okay, now I can see. Wow, it looks a lot clearer. This was like just blinding me to the world there. So now let me try this back on again. Okay, yeah, I can see clear. Everything is pretty much clear for the most part. It does kind of seem like there's some reflection in here that I'm seeing, but for the most part, it's a lot better than the other face shield I have because I'm talking and it has not fogged up yet. So they ain't lying when they say it don't fog up. Breathing, talking, not fogged up. And I can see there is like a slight glare that I'm seeing, but maybe once I wipe it down or something, we'll see how it looks. But yeah, pretty cool, pretty convenient. And there you guys have it. That's just me sharing some of the PPE equipment that I've recently ordered from Amazon. You guys can check the description down below for the items that I've shown in this video. And if you're new to the channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button. That way you can continue to see all my unboxings, my Travel Tech Tuesdays, vlogs, and travel videos. Thanks for watching, you guys. Peace.